What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing Lorenzo's Raz for the Longquest signature renditions. So we're going to go down here and go live. We are live at 3:52. And, okay, hold up. I'm not in Cancun right now. There we are. This is where I am. 3:52. So guys, we are going to take this list. We got Nick on top and Nick on the bottom. Go over to our randomizer, get a fresh list. Nick on top, Nick on the bottom, no spaces in between, guys. We are going 3 times, I assume. Yep, 3 times. 1, 2. Edward on top after 2. That timestamp is in at 3:53. It's 3:53, guys. Third and final random. Good luck. Stu. Spot 2. Congratulations. Sorry, Nick. That third timestamp is in at 3:53. It is 3:53, just turned 3:54. Guys, again, 3 times. Stu, congratulations.